For the autonomous driving system, not only for the transportation system, but also the aerial and the water system for the autonomous driving. Do you have any plans in the future so that the technology university is going to be the future, or do you have any current plans?
The autonomous vehicles autonomous carrier systems will play a very important role in the future in the economy. And one part is the autonomous vehicles, and the other part is the unmanned aerial vehicles and even the unmanned ships. I think the fastest development now will be the area of the unmanned aerial vehicles. There are some estimations that the turnover in unmanned aerial vehicles will in several years be higher than the turnovers in the cars. So our university, we pay a lot of attention on both on the unmanned system of driving, of navigation, because it is related in the cars, in the ships and in the drones. But of course we take care about the unmanned vehicles, and now we started to put a lot of work in the unmanned aerial vehicles and the drones. We applied for a project in Pingshan because Pingshan will have a combination of the unmanned aerial vehicles and of the unmanned cars. And for us it is important on one side because the companies will need talents to work in this field. So that means we want to educate the students in this field. And also the companies need research platforms, they need testing platforms, they need support from the universities. And my dream is to have a college or a department of unmanned carrier tools, and maybe in the future we can have a university of unmanned carrier tools. But this is a very, very fast or very far thinking already.
How many years have you started for this kind of a transportation college or department?
In the beginning, when the College of Urban Transportation and Logistics was founded, we did not think too much on the field of the drones. We think very much in the field of the cars. We think very much also in the field of the unmanned trains, the unmanned metro, and we started to think very deeply about this area about half a year when we started our cooperation with Shenzhen Logistics, because Shenzhen Logistics is already using these drones. And now we want to make a combination of all these unmanned vehicles to have a total global system for these unmanned carrier tools. For the unmanned vehicles we already developed a long time. For the unmanned vehicles, for the intelligent vehicles, this is already since the foundation of the college. We work in this field and we have students working in this field, we have research in this field. But in the drones we only did little things. We did some applications of the drones for investing the current supply of the trains. We did some applications, but we did not go too deep in this field in the college. But now this is one of our main points we want to develop.